visual only.
On the off-ramp. 7 with America. We're violating Arthur. 1022 then.
Placer County, CHP Air 21.
CHP Air 21.
Hey, traffic only. Just taking the Forest Hill exit eastbound. I don't have anybody available with a driver that was driving reckless, possibly DUI. It's a black, maybe a Camry, and I'm just turning to set up to go into Train Village.
Forest Hill exit near Train Village, 23103, possibly 23152, described as a black Camry.
Monster 12 boy, I copy in and route.
10-4.
And Air 21 copies. Thanks very much. And just a heads up, closer inspection, it is a black Lexus. It's in the number 1 left turn lane. It's going to turn left in front of the Arco like it's going to Rayleigh's.
Tower 21, I'm going to be...
And we are into the Rayleigh's parking lot.
483, I have a 27 by number, when ready as well.
SAC 45-283, I'll be from Clipper Gap.
Tower.
Keep me updated. I'm westbound approaching Dry Creek. SAC 45-283 is approaching Dry Creek westbound for Air 21.
Hey, the guy wearing a big dog shirt, it's blue, he's got tan jeans, white male, he's got very short hair, and he's walking towards Rayleigh's, walking into Rayleigh's. And SAC SO, CHP Air 21.
Who's on westbound, code 3?
21, you're on Placer.
Yeah, Placer, just information. Apparently I do have a unit, a CHP unit responding, and the driver just went into Rayleigh, so I do have a CHP unit coming.
12, would you copy?
On the green, I don't know what they got. I'll continue.
4.
719, 12 Charlie.
What do you guys have?
Go ahead. Can you run over to the sub and get the key out of my mailbox? We'll meet you over there. I'm putting up tape now. Just swing by and get it. Okay.
2-15, I've got a 273.5 going on at 11230.
12 boy, Lincoln 11, the CHP unit. Robert Zebra, Tom X-Ray. 10-4.
They had 14 ounces of alcohol. Never heard that one before.
Set off 1M80.
How much is 14 ounces?
10-4.
Thanks for your help, guys. I'll do a stop and
Charlie Union 10-4, I'll clear for you.
Copy that.
Stand 4 side. Faster 1 out 8, 10 8 side.
8 10-4.